My name is Lennon, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I design characters quick and how you can do it too. The video will be broken down into 5 different steps, beginning with the first step, the breakdown. This is the hardest of all the 5 steps. I break down the character into its important factors such as the theme, gender, age, specialities and the nature. You can add in other specific factors that would tell more about the story of the character. Now after this is done, just fill in the details. For example, I want my character to be an old person with a modern day weapon technology. The gender, I would just randomly suggest woman, and the age somewhere between 55 to 65. The specialities, I would just write down specific keywords that come to my mind. In this case, it is the water, ocean, swimmer, and so on. Other important factors that define the character is the nature of the character. After this is done, I'm already equipped with some ideas which I want to include in my character. That brings us to the second step, the brainstorming. The process that I use for brainstorming is also called as mind mapping. I would jot down some key factors of the character. In this case, it would be a swimmer, soldier, and weapons. Now, I would take the first point and jot down whatever comes to my mind until a network of thoughts and ideas is built. Now I would do the same for the second and the third characteristics. Now this process helps you to generate few out of the box ideas that you might have not thought of otherwise. The third point, referencing. You can either go to Pinterest or Google and search for your references. And there is no chance that you would find a character that suits exactly to your description. So break down the character and search for specific elements. For example, search for the armor, the headgear, pose, or whatever you feel like. Now these are the pictures that I chose for my referencing. Now I will use specific elements of the references in my own character. The fourth step, the gesture, pose, or the rough design. Now when you're drawing a rough character, do not try to be exact and be too stiff with the lines. Let it flow and draw whatever comes to your mind. Don't go too stiff and too dark. While experimenting concepts, don't go into a lot of details. If you have a doubt in something, you might want to draw a little more of it, and that is completely fine. Usually when it comes to me, I don't do it in an art book. I have a notebook dedicated to it to just draw random stuff and experiment new things. You can do it however you want. You can either do it digitally or in a notebook or a drawing book. It doesn't really matter. Now in this process, be true to yourself. If you don't like a design, go over it and try to implement other things. Draw at least 5 rough designs. So once you're sure with the rough drawing and the planning, you can go straight away for the final drawing. For my final drawing, the way that I like to do is inking my character on paper. You can do it however you want to, based on your own style. It can be traditional, digital, watercolor, or any medium that you are used to. This is not how the designers design in the industry. This is like my personalized method on designing characters. If I'm doing this character for myself, for my own portfolio, I'll just stop here after the final drawing. After adding colors, this is how the sketch turned out. If you found this video useful and if you liked what I drew, you might want to check out my Instagram. The link will be in the description. Also give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more regular updates. Thank you.